Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to get the currency number format for your work at Spreadsheet. So here, if you can see now, I already got the currency that I want here, which is the rupiah, Indonesian's currencies. So if you want to get this type of format for your number, you just need to follow this tutorial instead. Let's just go at the new tables here, and then you just need to type the numbers that you want to add. Let's say here we want to have like 200, 400, 900, and so on and so on. And you want to that this number is on a dollar, US dollar, American dollar currency. So to do that, you just need to block all of the cells that you want to change the currencies from. And here let's just block it first. We block this three, and right after that you just need to go click this A on the top side, and now you just need to go click cells here, scrolling down until you found the number format. Go click it. Now you just need to go scrolling down again until you found the currency, and just visit the more currencies formats. And I just need to find which dollars or which currencies that you want to have. And after you got them, you just need to go click it. And now you already got the number is changed from just original number into the currencies in a US dollar. So that is the way how to get the currencies number format on mobile spreadsheet. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.